How's it going today, guys? It's now about 7 o'clock at night. It's been snowing all day. I plowed our driveway twice already, and again, this is our driveway, so it's my third time today. And it's still not done. It's still snowing out. I mean, look at that. The snow is just piling up. I'm running out of room to put it. I'm trying to find places to put it now. Pretty much anywhere I can squeeze it in. Let's see if I can get over this way here. Come on. It's slipping and sliding a little bit, but I think we can do it. Alright, well, Hubers, I'm going to have to let you go because I can't exactly plow with one hand, but I might do a little bit more of a video later on. So, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, or whatever.